Hello, Aswini.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am also good. Thank you for asking. Please turn on your camera.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with your introduction.
First of all, thank you, ma'am, to giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Aswini Patil. I am from Kurli. I have completed my MSc in Shivaji University, Kolhapur.
Okay, first of all, we will go through HTML, then CSS, and then JavaScript. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
then Ashwini, what is HTML?
Ma'am, HTML is a hypertext language, markup language, which is used to create a web page and it also describe the structure of web page by using element.
What is the difference between HTML and HTML5?
Ma'am, HTML is the old version and HTML5 is a new version. HTML in HTML, the doc type declaration is very long and complicated, and in HTML5 it is very short, easy, and simple. HTML cannot support audio and video. HTML5 support audio and video.
Okay, what is the difference between inline and block level element?
Ma'am, block level always start with on a next line, and inline element start on a same line. Uh, Block level element acquires 100% width of their parent, and inline element acquires the width of their content. We can apply height and width to the block level element. We cannot apply height and width to the inline element.
Okay, what is call span and row span?
Call span and row span are used to merge the cell. A call span for merging two columns into one cell, and row span is used to merging the cell row into one row. One row.
Okay, what is attribute?
Attribute is nothing but it gives the additional information about the HTML element to the browser.
Okay, what are the input types?
Input types.
Yes.
Hello. Text.
Yes.
Input types are text, uh, checkbox, num, number,
Yes. What are
not
the
recalling right
HTML?
now.
Okay, okay. Check after the interview.
Okay, ma'am.
What are the HTML elements given by HTML5?
HTML element.
Yes.
Now a header, footer, table, table, table. Now header, footer,
Okay. What is CSS?
It is a cascading styling set which is used to style the HTML element.
In how many ways we can apply CSS?
In three ways we can apply the CSS. First one is inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS.
What is specificity?
Specificity is the score or rank which decide which style should apply to the HTML element.
What is box model?
Box model is nothing but it HTML element which is wrapped up by the box called as model, and every HTML element is considered as box model. It consists of four properties: content, padding, margin, and border.
What is margin?
Margin is the space outside the border
Okay.
of HTML element.
What are the CSS positions?
CSS positions are static, sticky, relative, absolute, and fixed.
What is relative position?
Relative position is nothing but it is position relative to its original position.
Okay. What is opacity?
Opacity.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, opacity.
Opacity is nothing but it shows the uh, how we can hide the HTML element. It is a hiding property.
Okay, what are the values of opacity?
0 and 1 is range from 0 to 1.
Yes. What is grid system?
Grid system is nothing but it is consist of one row in which 12 columns are it contains 12 one in one row it contains 12 columns which is separated by equal space, and this system is called as grid system, where the space between the two columns are called as water space.
Okay. What is the difference between nth child and nth?
Hello.
Hello?
Young child and
First tell me what is pseudo selectors?
pseudo selector.
Yes.
The selectors which it is nothing but the spatial state of an HTML, specific state of an HTML element.
What are the pseudo selectors we have?
Pseudo selectors. First child, last child, nth of child, odd.
They are pseudo class or pseudo elements.
They are pseudo class.
Then what are the types of pseudo elements?
Elements. First line as and first letter after, before, and selection.
Okay. What is the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none and visibility hidden.
Yes.
Display none changes the structure of our web page. And visibility hidden does not change the structure of our web page. In display none, the space allocated to the HTML will not be occupied. In visibility hidden, the space occupied by the HTML element still occupied.
Okay. What is Z index?
Z index, it is defined as it is property which allows to show which HTML element should come first. Means it which element should display first on the web page.
What are the values of Z index?
1, 2, 3, so on up to -1,
Can
negative
we?
also, positive
Yeah.
also.
Yes. Yes. Okay, Ashwini. Now we will go through JavaScript.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a programming language which gives to way the add to the which is gives way to add the functionality while using and interaction while using the web.
Who invented JavaScript?
Not recalling, ma'am.
Okay. What are the data types we have in JS?
Primitive and non-primitive data types.
In primitive, what are the types?
In primitive, string, boolean, number, undefined, null.
Okay. What is array?
Array is the non-primitive data type which holds which store multiple data in the form of index number on the basis of index number.
Do you know array methods?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell any 5 array methods.
Array method, push, pop, shift, unshift, reverse method, concat method.
Yes. What is the difference between slice and splice method?
Slice and
Slice.
splice.
Yes.
Slice, add slice. In splice, we can add or remove in between the array element. We can remove or add in between the array of element, and in slice, we can extract the part of array.
Can you show an example on it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please share your screen.
Ma'am, using Visual Studio, VS Code.
Yes, it is visible. Your notepad is visible.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Slice and slice, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which part we have to extract? Hello, ma'am.
Show JS in console box.
GS. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay. What is the difference between double equal to and triple equal to?
Ma'am, double equal to means it checks only value, and triple equal to means it strictly check its value and also its data type. Hello.
Yes. What is higher order function?
Higher order functions are the functions which hold another function as an argument, are called as higher order function.
Okay. What is hoisting?
Hosting is a default behavior of JavaScript in which all the declaration in the scope are get shifted on the top of the scope, but
What
not
is
there are values.
yes. What is function declaration and function expression?
Function declaration. Not recalling, ma'am.
Okay. What is anonymous function?
The function which is present inside the object, whose key inside the object, whose keys value is function. Then it is called as anonymous function.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is factory function and constructor function?
Factory functions are nothing but our regular functions, and construction functions are designed for uh, to perform the functions perform the functions in a customizable and controlling manner. In in functions, we can use return keyword, and we are using return keyword and also declaring the object. But in constructor function, uh, there is no need to create object, initialize the object and return object.
Okay. What is difference between map and filter?
Map is a higher order function used when we have to apply the same functionality on each and every element of an array. But in a filter, we have given a condition and we have to pass that condition. So it creates the new array with the element who passes that condition. And a length in map, the length of new array is equals to the length of given array, and in filter, the length of given array may or may not be equal to the new array.
What is difference between inner text and inner HTML?
Inner text only return or set the text of an HTML element, but inner HTML set or return the HTML tag as well as the text of HTML element.
Okay. What is difference between class list and class name?
Class list can add or remove the class present on the HTML element, and we cannot add and in class name we can remove all the classes which are present on the HTML element and add new classes. In class list, we cannot add more than one class at one time. But in class name, we can add the multiple class at one time.
Okay. What are the single and multi selections method in DOM?
Single methods in DOM are a query selector and document get element by ID, and multiple get element by tag name, get element by class name, and query select role.
Okay. What is the difference between var, let, and const?
Var cannot create a block scope, but let and var create a block scope. We can redeclare and reassign to the in where, but in let we can redeclare. We cannot redeclare in the same scope, and we can reassign the value. In constant, we cannot redeclare and reassignment to the variable, but in other in the same scope, but in another scope we can redeclare, but can't reassign. In where hosting takes place in where, in let and constant hosting takes place, but in the they are hosted in temporal dead zone.
Okay. What is reduce method?
Reduce method. In reduce method, there it is consist of two parameter. One is accumulator and CV, which is used to in case of number we can add all those number by using reduce, and in this accumulator gives the zero index value, and current value gives the next of zero index value.
Okay.
And these are higher order methods in JavaScript.
Take a box in HTML page and bind an event to it. When you click on the button, then it will show, and when you click on the button, it will hide. Hide and show event on the click. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you understand my question?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you take a box and the button on click on the button click you had to show that box and hide the box.
So, ma'am, I have to first create here box
You are taking form there.
because we want their input, no, ma'am, on which we have to click.
Okay.
Directly, I have to take box.
You can do as your wish. It's not my burden. Okay, Ashwini, try after the interview.
Okay.
Write a program for reverse string.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes. Can you do this without using methods?
methods.
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
Try using for loop. Hello, Ashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, try after the interview.
Okay, ma'am.
It's done from my side. Sir will give you feedback, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day to you, ma'am. Ma'am, hello.
Ah, yes.
May I leave?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.